Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Line newspaper headlines. So first of all, exports contract 16.6% in October for first time this fiscal. Next, freshly crafted data protection bill to be out soon. Next, 8 at G20 summit, Modi pitches for protecting India's energy security. Next, has order inquiries surge. Tirupur exports unbeat on business prospectus. Next, WhatsApp India head Ajit Bose stepped down. Then next. On page number 2, in that Jay would not replace Uday Kotak as CEO. Next, world population is 8 billion strong. Next, Flipkart boost Walmart sales in September quarter. Next, Blackstone ventures into data center space in India. Next, contents tax rises $80 billion in Series C. Next, ISAR to get rupees 2,800 crore branding fee from Naraya. Next, ArcelorMittal not eligible to participate in SERI insolvency process. Payash Capital. Next, sale of Electro Steels not at topic for discussion. Vedanta CEO. Next, NDTV open offer may not enthusiast shareholders. Next, LTI Mindtree aims to achieve industry leading growth. CEO. Next, Castrol sees big potential in EV batteries fleet. Then we comes to the page number 4. On that, SEBI overhauls appointment removal process of IDs. Next, active market making needed in 182 days, 364 days. T-bills RBI. Next, direct tax mop up to exceed budget target by 30%. Next, iPhone manufacturing unit coming up near Hauser. The next, bond yield slips for 7th day. Next, more room to strengthen against the dollar. Then we comes to page number 5. On that, coal supply to non-power sector to be around 130 meter in financial year 23. Minister. Next, 1 meter barrel a day imported from Russia in October. Then we comes to page number 6. It's an article section in that urban renewables. Next, water credits can fund climate needs. Next, fintech has arrived and TechFin is on its way. Then we comes to page number 7. It's an article section in that economics of football. Next, not yet ready for agri derivatives. Next, UK watchdog for tougher investment fund regulations. Then we comes to page number 8. On that, scaling new peak, Sensex creates history. Next, Walmart results inflation data cheers US stocks. Next, Kotak investment gets $500 billion from ADIA arm for reality fund. Next, Kfin Technologies receives SEBI note for rupees 2,400 crore IPO. Next, Ionex Green Energy IPO subscribed 1.55 times. Next, IIFL Wealth and Assets Management is now 361. Next, Fusion Microfinance shares make week debut. Next, Credit Access Grameen NCD subsidies 2.7 times. Next, Size Skills Kalamandir gets nude for IPO. Next on page numbers 9. On that, 6 more Russian bank get RBI nude for withdraw account. Next, FSDC to remain vigilant to ensure financial markets remain resilient. Next, bank credit to grow 15% in financial year 23-24 says CRISIL. Then we comes to page number 10. On that, Pune Agro Card starts operation in Pune. Next, Waycool picks 80% stake in Allfresh. Next, glyphosate makers see a lull in sales. Next, despite tiff with mills, sugar exporters rule out default on shipments. Next, why Haryana's rise by exceeds output outlook. Next, MCX Copper initiate fresh longs at the current levels. Next, fresh low to form over Bay today intensify has depression by Friday. Next, Orthodox leaf prices up at Kohinoor tea sales. Next, Rajasthan farmers demand adequate urea DAP supplies. Next, poultry bodies to hold campaign to boost offtake. Next, on page number 11, in that Indigo enters cargo off with Delhi Mumbai link. Next, state's debt cost down 12 basis point to 7.67% ICRA. Next, India turns net importer of steel again in October. Next, Geo spatial economy will grow to rupees 61,000 crore by 25 report. Next, steelmaker to do better in December quarter exports. Next, BIS likely for tempered glass screen protector. Next, border infrastructure build up pick up pace. Next, BEL sign multiple defense MOU. Next, veteran actor Krishna no more. Next, Karnataka High Court refuses to interfere with CCI probe against KCDA. Then we comes to pin 12 on that COVID lockdown sparks violent protest in China. Next, China's Tencent starts new round of layoff. Next, US orders Air India to refund $121.5 million to passengers, imposes $1.5 million penalty. Next, stage set for NAAS merger with CII. Next, CCI. Next, death of 66 children in Gambia has brought untold shame to India. Narayan Murthy. Next, Ukraine hails in China's options to nuclear threat. Next, WhatsApp India head Abhijit Bose step down. Next, minister launches a green print for China at COP 27. Next, army to get 3D printed shelter that can withstand tank fire. Next, India hotels GCI platform yet to make first acquisition. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.